For doing your initial settings when you start a new project in Premiere. Before I do anything, Premiere is open, but I haven't started a new project. I'm going to double check that my hard drive is prepared correctly. So I'm going to navigate to Finder. Here's my hard drive. I have 3 folders. One's footage, one is called Premiere Projects, and Scratch Disk. And I need all 3 before I create a new project in Premiere. Once that's done, I've got the folders. I'm going to hit New Project. And I get this screen. This screen to me is very confusing. Most of this is noise. The only thing you really need to do here, up here where it says Project Name, this is where you put in the date and the name of your project. So I'm going to go 2022_09 for September _ today is the 12th. And then I'm going to put the name for me. This is a music video. So I'm going to put music video. And I'm going to set the destination right there where it says project location. I'm going to drop that down. I'm going to choose location. And I'm going to navigate back to my hard drive. And it's going to go into the Premiere Projects folder. I'm going to hit enter. And on this screen, that's really it. You just do those 2 things at the very top. Then let me resize them. I'm a little off the screen. Once that's done, I'm going to come down to the bottom right, hit create. Now now we're actually in Premiere. This is where I would actually edit. But before I do anything, I have to make another change. I'm going to go up here to File. I'm going to go down to Project Settings. And I'm going to go to General. And it's going to open this screen, which is also quite confusing. And you can see that my name is already there. That's fine. I'm going to click right there where it says Scratch Disks. Right there. And then I'm going to set all of these buttons to the same destination, which is to my Scratch Disk folder. So I'm going to hit that button, navigate to my hard drive, choose the Scratch Disk folder. Now, you'll see that I've already got some folders inside there. I don't need to choose them. You don't want them this is incorrect. You only want to highlight on that one. This is Scratch Disk. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to keep going down to make them all match. You can see the path right there. Volume means hard drive. So it's on a hard drive. The name of the hard drive is Harry Style. I need to fix that. It should be Styles. Anyway. And then Scratch Disk folder. Okay, I'm going to do the next one. Now, up here, it's seeing what I did before. It's already looking at the correct one. So I can just hit enter. Basically, once you do the first one, it expects you to keep going to the same location. Pardon my voice. So I'm going to hit browse, hit enter, so that they all match. I'm going to check the paths visually. I'm going to look real quick and see how they all match right here. I'm going to say OK. Done. And that's it. I'm going to hit save. And now I'm ready to edit. And that's it.